trigonometry, the definition of trigonometry, here tri means 3, gono means angle, metry means measurement. So simply we can call tri means 3, gono means angle, metry means measurements. 3 angle measurements is called trigonometry. That means we are dealing this chapter most of the cases in right angle triangles. So in that point of view, so suppose if I have drawn one right angle triangle, all of you know this is called right angle triangle. Why we call this is the right angle triangle? The reason here it is 90 degrees. All of you know in any right angle triangle we are having only one right angle 90 degrees. I am going to name it as A, B, C. So here angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. So this is the right angle triangle. Once you draw the right angle triangle, all of you know the property that is according to Pythagoras theorem. What is there involved in right angle triangle? Hypotenuse square HYP square is equal to side square plus side square. So in this figure, what is hypotenuse? So this is hypotenuse. Why I am calling this is only hypotenuse? Because in any right angle triangle, longest side is called the hypotenuse. At the same time, we can call the side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So in this triangle ABC, so the hypotenuse is AC. And now I am considering this is theta angle. And this is 90 minus theta angle. If you add these 3 angles, what I am going to get? 90 plus theta plus 90 minus theta. 90 plus theta plus 90 minus theta. So what I am going to get the result? 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. That means in any right angle triangle, in any triangle, the sum of 3 angles must be 180 degrees. So that's why I have taken as 90 theta and 90 minus theta. So why I have drawn this figure? Because in trigonometry, basically we are dealing with 6 trigonometric ratios. In trigonometry, we are basically dealing with 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios. What are the 6 trigonometric ratios? So I am writing sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and the reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta, and the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, and the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So why we are giving the names like that? Because in this right angle triangle, I can write the ratios like this: AB by BC, AC by AB, like that. Your wish. BAB by BC. As you wish, you can write so many ratios. But how do you remember these ratios? So for that, we have given some names for the ratios, and we call them 6 ratios, the most frequently used and different means the 6 trigonometric ratios defined in right angle triangle are in this trigonometry: sine theta and its reciprocal is cosec theta, cos theta and its reciprocal is sec theta, tan theta and its reciprocal is cot theta. Now coming to this theta, what is this theta? Suppose I am considering angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to theta. Now I am considering this is theta, so I can call this BC is called opposite side. Opposite side to what? To theta. And this AB is called adjacent side to theta. So that means in this right angle triangle, I have taken the angle BAC. Now I am going to define the 6 trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. So now I have written, this is called BC, the side opposite to theta, and this is called AB, the side adjacent to theta, and this is called hypotenuse. So in any right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degrees or the longest side is hypotenuse. So now we have written all this. They are adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse. Now I am going to define one by one. So now I want to define sine theta. And some students may get one doubt. Sir, why you are writing opposite side to theta? Okay. Suppose I am considering this place theta. Suppose I am considering so ABC. So suppose I am considering theta here, 90 degrees is here and 90 minus theta here. So in this figure, What is opposite side to theta? AB. AB is called opposite side to theta because we're writing theta is the C there. And what is adjacent side to theta? BC is called adjacent side to theta. That means we can represent the adjacent and opposite with respect to theta where we are considering theta. This is very important point. Nobody don't get confused. Okay. Now I am going to define sine theta. So what is sine theta? The definition of sine theta is opposite side to theta by HYP means hypotenuse. That means in any right angle triangle we can say opposite side to theta. In this figure, in this triangle ABC, opposite side to theta is BC and this hypotenuse is AC. In this figure, you see hypotenuse. So this is the definition of sine theta. Now just now I said the reciprocal of sine theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta. What I discussed, reciprocal of sine theta is called cosec theta. So I can say cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. What I have written, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. That means, so 1 by BC by AC, it will become AC by BC. So if we take this AC by BC means what is AC? AC in the figure hypotenuse. And what is BC in this figure? BC opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta. So once you know sine theta, we got cosec theta. Similarly, I can write cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side to theta in this figure? AB by what is hypotenuse? AC. So this is over. Now earlier also I said cos theta, that means sec theta is the reciprocal of sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by AB by AC, that becomes AC by AB. So it becomes HYP, hypotenuse by AB means adjacent. So once you know sine theta, we got sec theta. Once you know cos theta, we got sec theta. Now the fifth one, now I am taking tan theta. Tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta, or else we can remember tan theta as opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So in this figure, what is opposite side to theta? BC. What is adjacent side to theta? AB. So once you know tan theta, I can write cot theta because cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So I can write AB by BC. So students, now I think you understand. And 6 trigonometric ratios are sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and their reciprocals are cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta respectively.